there, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com with another recipe. Today I'm making homemade cake flour that you need only two ingredients. Um, that's all-purpose flour and corn flour. And when you're measuring, you make sure you stir the flour before measuring so that it doesn't pack into the cup. So after measuring, you put it into your bowl. Then you take 2 tablespoons out of the 1 cup flour you've measured and replace that with corn flour. Hi there, if you are new, welcome to my channel and please like and subscribe. And so with these two taken out, we're going to replace it with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And that's it. We're going to sift them together about twice. And we have our homemade cake flour for all your baking needs. And that's what we have it here. Simple homemade cake flour. Thank you for watching. Bye.